Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AMP coin guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update of AMP coin. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about AMP coin. The right now price of AMP coin in the market is about 0.050999 USD dollar. That is the right now price of AMP coin. Other side, if we talk about the changes of AMP coin, so now the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week changes occurs in the AMP coin is negative. Only guys, yesterday, the last 24 hours changes of AMP coin is positive, and except of these, all changes is going negative, guys. So what should we do in this time, guys? Now you can see, guys, for short time the price jump again. Now in the latest situation again the price decrease, guys. What should we do? We can't see about the future. You can see if you look the changes of AMP coin, so negative 5.61% negative changes occur in the AMP coin, and 0.055634 USD dollar is the highest price of AMP coin, guys. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about AMP coin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.